Hi guys, how you doing? Hope you are doing well. It's a beautiful day, a new day to learn something good, something wonderful. So today I'm going to be talking about the insurance company. Yeah, so we are dealing with insurance today. I'm going to be breaking down everything you need to know about insurance company, how they operate, a brief history of insurance company in Nigeria, and why the insurance company is currently trending in the Nigeria Stock Exchange. They are one of the sectors that are doing very well currently as I'm talking to you. The insurance company is one of the best performing sector right now. So we are going to dive into the insurance company, what it is, how they operate, everything you need to know about insurance company so that you don't just go and rush into investing in there without getting a clear picture of what you are investing in. So before we go further, we have to know what insurance is, right? So before you invest in something, you must know what that thing is and how it works. So basically, insurance is a system whereby you pay a small amount of money, usually called it is called premium, to protect yourself against any big financial incident, like let's say accident, maybe fire outage, and health issues and things like that. So when this accident happen, the insurance company, they will cover the cost of this risk, this incident. So that is what insurance is. So like I said, the insurance company will cover the cost of any bad thing that happen. So the person that collected the insurance policy is called policy holder. So and that policy holder is the one that's going to be paying the premium. The premium can be in a monthly basis, or maybe quarterly basis, or yearly basis, and then each premium is determined by the risk involved. So the insurance company will assess the policy holder, they will assess the risk of that particular insurance. After assessing the risk, then that's when they will now tell the person this is what you will be paying monthly or quarterly or yearly for this particular insurance. Now basically there are two types of insurance. We have the life insurance, and then we have the non-life insurance, or you call it the general insurance. Now the life insurance, they are the one that take care of maybe someone took life insurance and the person died, they will pay the person's family, or those elderly people, pensioners, they are the one that take care of their pension. So they are the one that pay out pensions. So that's basically what life insurance covers. Then the non-life insurance, or the general insurance, what it covers is everything aside from life and pension. Every other thing, your liability insurance, your, that is maybe your car, your health, different fire insurance, or different, you can just name any kind of insurance aside life, they cover it. So that is the general insurance. Then we also have another kind of insurance company, we call it the composite insurance company. This one, they operate both, they do both life insurance, they also provide a non-life insurance. So it's just like two in one. So that's basically the types of insurance that we have. So let's now talk about the history of insurance in Nigeria, the history of insurance companies in Nigeria. Insurance companies have been here for a very long time, and when I say long, I mean since colonial time. The UK set up the first insurance company in Nigeria, in Lagos, the Royal Exchange Assurance. It was created by the UK in Lagos at the time. That was before independence, I think in 1921. That was the first insurance company, and basically it was not even for Nigerians. That at the time the UK were the ones in charge of Nigeria. So I think they created it to kind of like insured their companies that are here in Nigeria as well as those abroad. So that was the first insurance. Then after independence, the Nigeria government created the NINCON, National Insurance Commission of Nigeria. NICON. So it was set up to ensure government fund and to also kind of like enable local insurance company to operate. So this is what happened. Some years later, National Insurance Commission was created, NICOM. That one was, it was a kind of a regulating body to regulate insurance companies in Nigeria. So that is how NICOM was formed. They are still there till today. They are the one regulating insurance companies in Nigeria. Then, but since that time, since 1969, I think NICON was set up in 1969, but the insurance company, they've not been really doing well since that time. It was in 2003. That was when the Insurance Act was an Insurance Act was set up, and it is this act that they now use as kind of a law that is governing every insurance company in Nigeria. Now let's talk about why insurance is not very popular in Nigeria. Insurance company, they are not doing well in Nigeria. Do you know that insurance company contribute less than 10% to the to Nigeria's GDP? Less than, what am I saying? Less than 1%. The contribution of insurance company to Nigeria GDP is less than 1%. So insurance company is not very popular and they are not really doing very well in Nigeria. And then let's look at the reason why they are not doing well. One of the main reasons why insurance companies are not doing very well is because they are not that many people don't understand how they actually work. People don't understand how insurance company work here. Some Nigerians, they are not even interested in knowing how insurance work. They are not just interested in anything called insurance. Some see it as scam. And then, you know, Nigeria, this our country, is a very funny place, a very wonderful place. You know, many of us are highly religious. So when you bring insurance to them and you try explaining what insurance is, they will tell you that the only insurance they need is God, and they already have God, so they don't need you. They don't need your company. That's Nigeria for you. So we are highly religious. Even some will believe that they investing or they collecting an insurance policy is like bad luck. It's like them inviting bad luck to happen, because you are telling them that you are insuring them against any bad thing that will happen to them. So to them, if they collect that thing, it's like they are inviting a curse upon themselves. So they will not take that or collect that insurance policy, especially life policy. So when an insurance agent now meets someone that the person should come and insure his life, the person will tell you that, are you planning to kill me? Do you want me to die? So that's just how we Nigerians will react to such information. Then another reason why insurance companies are not doing very well is due to poverty. Vast majority of Nigerians are poor. So how can you bring insurance policy to someone that has not eaten? Person will never chop. We want to see money to pay for insurance policy. So you see, it's not something that is actually working in Nigeria per se. There are other reasons why insurance is not very popular. There is a reason of insurance company delaying claims. Some of them, they are not even paying claims, insurance claim. Then there's the issue of regulation. They are not properly regulated. Before NICON was set up, the regulation of insurance company was poor. Then issue of capital. Some of them are not they are not properly funded. They are poorly funded. So they can't actually, you know, do most of the things that they set out to do. So due to all these many issues that the insurance companies are having, this is why the Insurance Act of 2003 was set up. So in 2003, the federal government created the Insurance Policy Act to, you know, to make the insurance company to be stronger, to also protect the policy holders and to build trust that the public actually trust them. What the 2003 Insurance Act says is that it gives NICOM the ability to regulate insurance company in Nigeria. Then it also gives them the power to license insurance company. It also includes reinsurance requirements. So what reinsurance simply means is that insurance company cannot cover big risks like insuring airplane or oil rig, those expensive insurance that they should not cover it alone. Instead, they should reinsure it. They should share the risk with other insurance company, so that it will show that they can actually pay claims when maybe eventuality, for example, maybe a plane crash, then the insurance company will be able to pay the claim to the family of the those that died in the aircraft. So that is what reinsurance actually mean. And then there are some other laws in the Insurance Act. So the 2003 Insurance Act became the legal framework for all insurance company in Nigeria to operate in. So that's what insurance companies have been using since 2003 till date. So it was recently that the federal government enacted the Nigeria Insurance Industry Reform Act (NIRA). So basically what it means is that they took the 2003 Insurance Act and then tweak it a bit, remove some things from it, added some other things to it, and some of the things that are in the NIRA is that there should be recapitalization of insurance company. That means the capital you need to start an insurance company has been increased. I think 10 billion naira for life insurance, and then 15 billion naira for non-life insurance, and then for reinsurance is over 35 billion, and that money is not fixed. It's based on risk-based capital. That is to say, NICOM will first investigate your insurance company and assess its risk. So if it's highly risky, you may pay more than that 10 billion naira for life insurance, and then for non-life insurance, if your risk is high, then you probably will pay more than that 15 billion naira. So that was one of the things that is in the new act. And then there is also digitization of the insurance sector. So the federal government wants everything to be digitized. Everything should be online, so that to ensure fast operation. And then there is also licensing of insurance agent. So anybody that is operating as an insurance agent must be licensed by NICOM. And then there are some other things there. You can go and read that one up for yourself. So this is why the insurance company is currently trending because of this news, because many of them have been saying that this law has been a long time coming. The thing has been overdue. You should have done this thing before now. I think in 2007 the federal government wanted to recapitalize insurance company in Nigeria, but I think that did not work. It was held up in court, so it didn't really work. But now, thank God for our president, the thing is now into law, and I think the new law gives insurance company about 12 months, that is a year, to start enforcing these, to start implementing these new laws. So from now to 12 months time, we'll see that a lot of change will be coming into the insurance industry, the insurance sector. So many things will be happening. Only the news alone, the news of NIRA has kind of boosted the insurance stock in the Nigeria Stock Exchange. Some of them went up to over 100% increase. So but it's just like a bubble right now. So I will advise anybody that's planning to invest in the in insurance company should wait first. Don't rush. You don't rush in the market. Just calm down, do your research, do your due diligence, and then wait for the market to pull back a little, because that the Nigeria stocks have been ascending. They've been trending high. So wait for a little pullback and then find a good place to buy a good insurance stock, because they are probably going to go up. And these insurance stock, not all of them that will do well, because some of these insurance, there are smaller insurance company, so some of them will probably mesh together in order for them to come up with the recapitalization, because 10 billion is not small money. 10 billion for life insurance, non-life insurance 15 billion. And another thing in the insurance act is that there cannot be a composite insurance. That is, a company cannot operate both as life and non-life. You must separate them, so you cannot do both in Nigeria. That's against the law. So these are some of the things you need to know about insurance company. I hope I've shared something, you've learned something today. So I'll probably stop here and I'll see you in my next video. But please like my channel, subscribe to the channel so that you'll be notified in any other video that I release. So thank you, bye for now.